I'm Susan. Today I'm going to try a new recipe, which is homemade Snickerdoodle bars. It sounds like it'll be good and it sounds like it'll be easy, and I love anything with cinnamon in it. So I hope everybody's having a great day, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and for your topping you'll need 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And to your mixing bowl, you want to add your butter and your sugar, and you want to beat that until it's light and fluffy. Now I scrape my bowl down about halfway through and then continue on beating it. Now you want to add in your salt, your egg, and your vanilla, and you want to beat that until everything's well combined. Now you want to add in your flour and mix it until there's no more white streaks. Now I have an 8x8 baking dish that I've lined with parchment paper, and I sprayed the parchment paper. You'll want to spread your dough over the parchment paper and get it just as flat as you can once you get everything mixed. Now you want to mix your cinnamon and your sugar, and you want to sprinkle it evenly over the top of your cookie bars. And you'll want to bake this for about 30 minutes. It only took 25 minutes in my oven. And you don't want to overbake them, you just want them brown around the edges. And you'll want them set. And here they are. They were so good. In fact, my son wanted to know why the pan was so small. They ranked up there high with him, close to the Butterfinger bars, and that's high praise. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.